Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is May 31st, 2021. We are going to talk about Cardano, give you all a price prediction in the market for this currency. But before I do that, we're going to talk about this article right here that states that Cardano could scale up to 2 million transactions per second utilizing a layer 2 solution called Hydra. We're going to break that down, look at this article real quick, but as always, on this particular channel, our main focus is on where price is going to go and ensuring that we are in position to capitalize on that price movement. So if you all want to participate, join this team, you're more than welcome to. If not, there's a plethora of other YouTube channels that you can follow to try to get your daily fix of hype, FUD, and FOMO. But for us, we pay attention to realistic headlines as well as where price is going to go. So hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Share the video, subscribe, and also like the video in terms of the content that we are producing here for Cardano. So let's talk about this article real quick. It came out the May 28th right here on this heraldsheets.com website. I will have the link in the description of the video just if y'all want to catch up, read more about it, but we're not just going to skim through it real quick and highlight some things that we felt was important in terms of Cardano scaling to 2 million transactions per second, right? So if you're an avid follower of Cardano, you already know that the community Cardano is in the initial phase of deploying their smart contract protocol called Alonzo, the mainnet. Next thing is that this particular project is also going to have a layer 2 solution called Hydra, which is going to be capable of scaling the Cardano network to handle up to 2 million transactions per second. You guys can see right there, I have it highlighted. Right, so you have Input Output Global. They made a tweet about this initially to where they're at work hard with Hydra, this layer 2 solution. Right, this is a tweet right here, introducing our new open Cardano Hydra repo on GitHub, where you can find the experiments and exploratory work on our scaling solution. It's in the early days, but they just wanted everyone who follows Cardano to follow along as they go from research to the code environments into this core development of this layer 2 scaling solution. So now, what do you all think? Do you think this layer 2 scaling solution is going to have a massive impact on Cardano, on bringing in more interest, on the price of Cardano or ADA? Where do you all think this will have its place on this blockchain? Let us know, right? Now, the purpose of layer 2 solution is to allow the scalability of the protocol of the cryptocurrency to where many people can actually go onto these blockchains, these cryptocurrencies networks, and be able to handle more transactions, pretty much like Visa. I think that Visa handles around 2,000 transactions per second right here. Visa handles 2,000 transactions per second. If Cardano can do 2 million transactions per second, that is phenomenal. That is massive. If they can achieve that, that will speak volumes in terms of what this particular protocol can do, right? So tell me what you all think about this article. Like I said, I will have the link here in the description of this video so you all can catch up on it, go a little bit in depth if you want to. But for us, we focus in on the price and where price is going to go so that we can win in the market, right? So real quick, I'm gonna take this back over to the daily time frame in Cardano. You all can see right here on May the 27th, we were expecting the price in Cardano to go higher and it didn't do it. Right, we definitely have missed our support area over the last 2 days following that prediction. The market didn't hold our support area there at $1.60, and it still didn't even hold $1.50 into the market in Cardano. Instead, it came all the way down to $1.33, $1.34. That's 22% away from when we were trading on May 27th, right? But as you always know, if you guys have been watching my videos, we don't use stop losses, okay? Because you guys can see, even though the initial 2 days of us doing our prediction in Cardano, the market is coming right back to where we expected it to go, right? So if we would have had stop losses at $1.50, at $1.60, we would not be able to profit into our expectations of Cardano going higher. The only way we have stop losses is in our own mind. You don't need to give the trap any clues as to where you're willing to take your losses. because when you do that, he's able to take the price there, get you out the way, and then take the price to where you expected it to go initially. That's how this game works. Okay. So let's take a look at the market in Cardano real quick on a 2-day time frame, because actuality, I'm still seeing that the market in Cardano, if anything, we're going to trade sideways, right? I've been explaining that on our last couple of cryptocurrency videos that we've been expecting the market to kind of transition to trading from sideways into channels, and I'm kind of seeing the same thing in Cardano as well. Okay, so I'm still going to continue to ride with our prediction that we have on going to the market in Cardano. I do like the fact that the market is still able to hold its price well above $1.50. You know, that's going to be real crucial for this market in Cardano to withhold and trade in anticipation for us to see higher price movement. 5-day time frame. Again, we are showing that the market in Cardano on this last 5-day price bar did in fact get weakness, right? But we were still able to inch out just a little bit of more demand on that last 5-day price bar that would constitute that this market, if anything, is going to trade sideways over the next couple of days. Okay, how do we end out on the week? Again, we still saw weakness come through the market in Cardano here, but we were able to see enough interest or demand come through that we were still able to close in the midpoint of the bar. So based off of the market in Cardano still holding price above $1.50, and that we were still able to have enough interest to come through the market for Cardano, we're going to continue to go on in our price prediction to allow this market in Cardano to go higher. Okay, so you can still see we're not overly bullish though, in no sense of the word. We're only trying to get 10.5% out the market for Cardano, around $1.90. But again, our TP was there around $1.80, $1.85. So we'll definitely let the market go here and give us 5.75% profitability in the market right there. So again, we're going to continue to ride in our forecast into the market of Cardano. Still expecting this particular currency to give us some upward price direction. Not much, 10.5%, maybe 5.75%. And we'll see and address the market once the market actually takes those areas out. So now, this is what we're seeing. Again, tell me what do you all think about the layer 2 scaling solution that Cardano is trying to create with Hydra. Tell me what do you all expect the price to go over the next 3 days. You know, we usually do our Cardano videos in 3-day increments. So tell us what do you think the price is going to be in Cardano in the next 3 days. All right, and that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.